can imagine a cabbage patricia. And this is...
We're just coming through at least to see whether it is really...
Unachukua video?
The incident was really most unfortunate. I think one of the things that each institution should uphold is the rule of law. And I think in the entire transaction of or challenges that we have had or differences in terms of collecting the bills that have been overdue for a very long time, Kenya Power and Lighting has always upheld the rule of law. We have used all legal mechanisms, and we never sunk to the point of using means that can actually be or can pose serious harm to the public.
As we stand here, the stench is still really very strong. And I can tell you for a fact there are risks to this. When we talk about poor solid waste management, not just in towns, but also in our homes, which can lead to a range of public health issues, including increased rates of waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid. We risk that right now, even here. When we talk about respiratory diseases, the stench that you can inhale right now, or the stench that has been there in the last 2 days, it qualifies to actually lead to illnesses due to air pollution from the waste. Also, skin infection. You do not know whoever passed through here touched what, and then went and ate food, probably touched another person and got sick skin infection.